Welcome to the ultimate tutorial and guide on macOS Keychain. If you use a Mac, this tool is vital for your digital security. We're starting with an introduction to the macOS Keychain, the built-in password management system for your Apple devices. Keychain Access is the application that manages your passwords, secure notes, and cryptographic keys. It's central to macOS security. Why is Keychain Access important? It secures sensitive information, keeping it safe from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Let's explore some of the key features that make Keychain an essential security tool. Keychain uses robust encryption to store your passwords and keys, offering a higher level of protection than saving them in plain text. You'll encounter different types of keychains, such as the login keychain for your user account and the system keychain for system-wide items. Next, let's look at how to use the Keychain Access application itself. To start, simply search for Keychain Access in Spotlight or find it in the Utilities folder within your applications. Once open, you can easily search for and manage stored items, including viewing passwords and security details. Now let's cover how you can create and manage new entries within the keychain. To add a new password entry, you can either let Safari save it automatically or manually input the name, account, and password directly into the Keychain Access app. You can easily edit existing items to update credentials or delete old entries that you no longer need. One of Keychain's best features is its seamless synchronization with iCloud Keychain. iCloud Keychain securely synchronizes your passwords and credit card information across all your Apple devices, including Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Setting up iCloud Sync is usually straightforward through system settings, but if you run into issues, checking your Apple ID settings is the first step. To maximize your security, let's go over some essential best practices for using Keychain. Always use a strong, unique password for your master account. This is the key that protects all the passwords stored in your keychain. Perform regular security checks by reviewing your stored passwords and ensuring they meet modern security standards. To conclude our tutorial, let's briefly summarize the benefits of the macOS Keychain. Keychain offers security, convenience, and seamless cross-device synchronization, making your digital life safer and simpler. Embrace the security features of macOS Keychain to protect your digital identity. Stay vigilant and stay secure.